This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Deco E4. First, download the TP-Link Deco app from your smartphone's app store. Next, open the app and either create a new TP-Link ID or log in with an existing one. Then, unbox your Deco E4 units and choose one to be your main Deco. Before proceeding, remember to power off your current modem to prepare for the new connection. Now, connect one of your Deco units to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Power on both your modem and the Deco unit. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the Deco's LED light to begin pulsing blue, signaling it is ready for setup. Within the Deco app, select your specific Deco model and assign a location, such as living room or office. To expand your Wi-Fi coverage, place additional Deco units in other areas of your home. Plug in each new Deco unit and wait for its LED to pulse blue. Open the Deco app, which will automatically detect these new devices. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to add them to your existing mesh network. Remember to name each unit, perhaps bedroom or kitchen, for easy management. Finally, you will create a unique Wi-Fi network name and a strong, secure password. Once your network is established, connect all your wireless devices to this new Deco Wi-Fi. The Deco app also offers network optimization features to ensure the best possible performance. With these steps, you can now enjoy seamless, reliable whole-home Wi-Fi coverage across your entire space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.